Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Teacher JM. And guys, kung hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe sa akin channel, ito po yung channel ko. And subscribe, click mo lang po yung subscribe button below at saka po yung notification bell na katabi niya para ma-notify po ikaw or kayo sa aking mga parating pang video tutorials and then yung video lesson po natin sa music and then sa ibang areas. So, and for today's lesson po, we are going to talk about rhythmic patterns and meters in music. Ayan, so explore po natin yan, yung ating rhythmic pattern tsaka yung meters natin in music. So, for the objective of today's lesson, and we have here the MELT. This objective were taken from the most essential learning competencies. Ito po yung to create, no? Magki-create tayo ng ating rhythmic pattern in a given time signature po, which is ito yung 2-4, 3-4, 4-4, and 6-8. So, meron pong tawag sa mga time signatures na ito. Ayan po ay tatawag nating simple time signature po yung 2-4, 3-4, 4-4. They are called to be simple time signatures. And itong 6-8 naman po sa baba, ang tawag po dyan ay compound time signature. So, mamaya explain ko kung bakit siya simple at kung bakit naman siya tinawag na compound. So here, pwedeng yung 9, 9-8 ay kasama din sa compound time signature at saka yung 12-8. Sometimes may mga ganyang time signature. So, explain po natin yan. Isa-isahin po natin yan mamaya. And for a quick review lang po, diba sa aking mga video tutorial, kung napanood nyo na, so meron pong count or value po yung notes po natin. So, ito po yung sa taas. Kung napapansin nyo po, itong whole note po dito, ang tawag sa kanya ay whole note. And then, ang kanya namang katumbas na bilang ay 4 counts. Kapag yung pinag-usapan natin ay simple time signature or yung regular lang. So, which is kung ang whole note po natin dito ay nadi-divide po siya into 2. Kung mapapansin nyo, nadi-divide po siya into 2 half note. At saka yung half note na ito po ay nakakatanggap po siya ng dalawang kumpas. So, yung isang half note ay dalawang kumpas po yung kanyang natatanggap, or it will receive 2 beats or 2 counts. So, bali pag dalawang half note po ito, 2 half note is equivalent to 4 or to 1 whole note. Ayan o, dalawang half note is 1 whole note. Then, yung isang half note naman po ay dalawang quarter note po. So, ito po ay 1. Ito rin naman ay 1 half. At ito po ay 1/4. And this one is 1/8. So, ito po yung mga value nila. Kung mapapansin nyo, sa simple time signature po. Ayan po yung kanilang value. Ito po yung pag-usapan natin, simple. Ayan po. So, kapag sinabi naman nating compound, halimbawa, compound time signature naman po tayo. So, kung compound po yan, ayan, compound time signature, ang whole note po dito ay mag-iiba, parang magiging doble po, no? Magdo-double yung kanyang halaga. Magdo-double yung magiging compound, no? Magiging doble po yung kanyang value. So, ito ay magiging 8 po siya. Ibig sabihin may 8 note dito makikita. Then, ito, yung half note po natin ay magiging 4 counts yung isa. Itong half note na to ay magiging 4 counts. Ito ay magiging 8 counts. Then, itong quarter note po natin ay magiging 2 counts. Tapos yung 8 note natin ay magiging 1 count. Ito na yung 1/4. Yung ating 1 half yung ating 16th note magiging 1 half. Tapos itong ating 32nd note ay magiging 1/4. So, wala tayong 1/8. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung compound, no? Compound meter. Yan yung value nila. Exact value nila. Kung titingnan mo, sa simple, pag-usapan natin yung simple, ito ay 4 counts. Pero kapag compound na siya, yung whole note natin ay magiging 8 then yung half note ay 4, yung quarter note ay 1 count, magiging 2 counts, then yung 8th note ay 1, then yung 16th note po natin ay 1 half, then yung 32nd note ay 1/4. So I hope clear po yan, no? Then tuloy po tayo, ganun din sa ating whole rest, sa rest. So ang tawag po dito ay rest. Ayan. Or in Tagalog, pahinga po siya sa music. Ayan. So may value din po siya. Kapag simple po yung usapan natin, yung simple, ang kumpas nito ay 4 counts, yung whole rest. Tsaka yung half rest po natin ay 2 counts. Yung quarter rest ay 1. Ito ay 1 half, yung ating 8th rest. 16th rest po natin ay 1/4. Then yung ating 32nd rest po ay 1/8. So take note po ha, yung usapan po natin ay simple meter or pag sa simple time signature po tayo. Yan po ay 4, 2, 1, 1 half, 1/4 and 1/8. So now kapag compound na siya, minsan kasi nagpapalit yan, kapag compound, wait, ayan, kapag compound po, magbabago rin po yung kanyang value. Example, yung whole rest, parang dito kanina, yung whole note, naging 8 din siya. Magiging 8 counts po siya, yung itong whole rest po natin. Yung half rest po natin, yung isang half rest po ay magiging 4 counts. Tapos, yung quarter rest, kanina, dito sa simple siya ay 1, pero pagdating dito sa compound, yung quarter note or quarter rest natin ay magiging 2 counts. Then yung 8th rest ay magiging 1 count. So dito ay 1 half, dito ay naging 1. So para nagdagdag lang tayo, no? Naging doble. Then yung 1/4, siya na yon magiging yung 16th note natin or 16th rest rather, siya na ay magiging 1 half. Ayan, and then yung 32nd rest natin ay magiging 1/4. Ayan po. So, tuloy po tayo. Rhythmic pattern is the flow of series of notes. So, kung nakikita mo, no? And rest in a piece of music. It is the combination of notes or notes and rest in a given time signature. Pag sinabi nating series po, it is series of notes, no? It is the sequence, pagkakasunod ng mga nota o yung paggamit ng nota natin in a piece of music, no? It is also the combination of notes, combination also ng notes and rest, no? In a given time signature. Example, mayroon po tayong 2/4 time signature dito na nakikita nyo. Dapat yung mga nota and pahinga na mga gamit natin dito ay sakto po siya dito sa loob ng one measure. So elaborate ko lang po to again. Pwede nyo pong panoodin yung videos ko regarding sa lesson na ito, no? Ayan, yung bar lines po ay meron po siyang function, meron po siyang task, meron po siyang role. Malaki po yung kanyang bahagi dito, which is to divide this series of pattern or notes into measure, no, into equal bit or counts in a given time signature na 2/4. Dapat kung 2/4 siya, yung 2 po sa taas, meaning yung number na 2 na yan, there should be 2 counts in every measure. So dapat 2 rin dito. So pag sinabi nating measure, ito po yung measure natin. So ito, from here going here, ayan, yan ay 1 measure. This is 1 measure po. Then from this bar line into this bar line, another measure po yan, that is second measure. And then from here up to this bar lines, that is another measure, that is third measure po. So this is first, second, and third measure po. Ayan. So pag ating pong bibilangin, no, yung nota po natin, since yung 2/4, ano ba yung 2/4? That is simple time signature or simple meter. Kaya doon tayo, puntahan natin yung simple meter natin, yung counts. Pag nakalagay po doon ay quarter note, diba? So that is 1 count, diba? Tingnan natin. So this is 1 count. Lagyan natin ng 1. Then, yung 16th note po ay, yung value po ng 16th note ay 1/4. So, lagay po natin dito 1/4. Ayan. Then, another 16th note po dito, yan po ay 1/4 din po. Okay? So, that is 1/4. This is 1, 1/4, then 1/4. And this is 1/2. Okay. So, pag i-add po natin sila, 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. Then, plus 1/2, that is automatic. Ito lahat ay 1 na po ito. Then, plus 1, isang quarter note. Ito po ay magiging 2 counts. So, ito ay 1 na ito lahat, plus 1, that is 2 counts. So, kaya po mayroon tayong 2 sa taas. Then, yung 4 naman sa baba, tulad ng sinasabi ko po dito, yung 4 dito sa ilalim, 'di ba, mayroon siyang upper number and lower number. Yung number 4 sa lower number, this is tinatawag po nating quarter note. It pertains to notes. Ito po yung quarter notes. Kaya ang sinasabi po diyan, yung 4 na ito, that is every quarter note will receive 1 count. Yung quarter note lang po talaga yung makakatanggap ng 1 count. Then the rest of the notes ay iba na po yung bilang nila. And then, that is for the simple time signature po ng 2/4 time signature. Simple meter or simple time signature po. And then, the same thing kapag binilang po natin yung sa second measure po, ito ay 1/2. And then, ito naman ay 1/2 also. And then, ito ay 1. Then, bibigyan po tayo ng 2. So, that is 2 sa taas. Then, same thing here. This is 1 count. Then, yung ating rest ay quarter rest. This is another 1. 1 din po ito. Then, will give us 2 counts. So, that is 2/4 time signatures. So, same thing din po dito sa ating 3/4/4/4. So, take note po, lahat po ito ay from A, B, to C. Yan po ay simple time signature po. Simple rhythmic pattern, simple time signature. So, kaya yung bilang niya, pareho lang po. Okay, so, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Ito ay 1/2. This is 1/2. Ayan, 1/2. Sorry. And this is 1/2. This is 1/2. And ito po ay tawag nating 1/4, and this is 1/4, this is 1/2, and this is 1. Another 1/2, then 1/2, and this is 2. So, take note po, yung ating time signature ay 3/4. Ibig sabihin, dapat may tatlong compass. There should be 3 beats, no, in every measure. May tatlong bilang po siya dapat. I hope nakasunod po kayo. Then, pag binilang po natin 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Kaya meron po tayong 3 po dito. So, pareho din po dito. May 3, then may 3 din po dito. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 3/4 time signature. And then, quarter note will receive 1 count. Every quarter note will receive 1 count in this example. So, 3/4 time signature, that is simple time signature. Then, another 4/4 is another example of simple time signature. And this is 1 count again. So, 1 count, 1, 1, 1. If we are going to sum up this in this measure, in the first measure, yan po ay 4 counts po. Bibigyan po tayo ng 4 na pass kasi 4/4/4. Ang ibig sabihin ng 4/4 time signature po, every quarter note, itong nasa ilalim or nasa lower number, every quarter note will receive 1 count. And sa taas naman na number po, every measure, there should be 4. Dapat may 4 na kumpas. Ayan. So, dapat 4 po doon. Okay, so let's right here. Dapat 4 dito, then 4 po dito, and 4 din po dito. So, So para yan po ay 4 sa taas. Ito po 4. And 4 dito sa unang measure. 4 din po dito. 1 half plus 1 half, that is 1. This is 2, 3, 4. This is quarter rest, that is 1 count. Oh, 1 rest. Automatic, that is 4. And another here. 1 plus this one is 1 half. This is 1 half. This is 1 and 1. So that is 4. Okay. Ayan. Okay. And that is simple time signature under simple time signature. And then here for the letter D, meron po tayong 6/8 dito. And this is compound. 6/8 is compound time signature po. And it says here in every 8 note, yung lower number po natin, yung 8. 8 that is 8 note. That pertains to 8 note po. Ayan. Yung 8 note lang daw po yung makakatanggap ng isang kumpas. So, ayan po. 8 note po ito. This is 8 note. That is 1 count, 1 count, 1 count. So, balikan po natin, no? Kapag compound time signature po yung 8 note natin, diba ito yung 8 note natin. Sa simple, that is 1 half. Then, kapag compound, yung 8 note natin yan ay 1 bit. Okay? So, 1 bit po yan. So, dito, yung 8 note natin will receive 1 bit, 1, 1, 1. Pag binilang po natin yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why we have 6 here. There should be 6. Yan, may 6 na kumpas sa bawat sukat. Kaya meron po tayong 6/8 time signature. Ganon din po dito. And then, same here. This is 2, 4, 6. Then, that is 6. And I hope you get this. Then, move tayo. Another example, 4 time signature. Gagawa po tayo. Here is an example. 2, 4. Magdo-drawing po ako ng quarter note. Then, isa pang quarter note. So, automatic this is 1 count, then 2. Then, lagay po ako dito ng bar line. And another quarter note. And 8 note. And one more 8 note. So, and that is double bar line. Double bar line meaning end of the piece or musical piece or the song. So dito po ay bibilangan natin. So this is 1 count, this is 1, so automatic that is 2. This is 1, this is 1 half, this one is 1 half, so that is 2. So we have 2 here, and every quarter note receive 1 bit. Okay, that is our rhythmic pattern in simple simple time signature 2/4. Another example, if we are going to make 3/4 time signature, okay, we are going to use here quarter note and half note, so that is 3. This is 1 count, this is 2 counts. Yan, that is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. I have 3 here, and every quarter note will receive 1 bit, and this is half note, that's why tatanggap po siya ng 2 counts or 2 bits. And what if this is blank and you have here 1 quarter note and 1 quarter note? So what is missing? Okay, the correct answer is another 1 quarter note. And another example, what about 4/4 time signature? Okay, in 4/4 time signature, 1 half note and another 1 half note, then 1 quarter note, then 1 quarter note, go, and blank here, and we're going to use 16th note, 8th note rather, then double bar lines here. Okay, let's count this in every measure. This is first measure, this is second measure. O ito yung unang sukat, ikalawang sukat. Ito ay 2 counts or dalawang kumpas. Then pag i-plus natin, that is bigyan po tayo dito ng 4. This is 1 count, 1 count. Then we have missing 1. This is 1 half. This is 1 half. So we have 3 here. Then kulang tayo, ano kayang sagot dyan? What do you think is the answer here? That is quarter note. Okay, that is 4. Okay. So that's for the simple time signature 4/4. 4/4. That's a simple time signature. What about 6/8? Yan. 6/8. Okay, gagawa tayo. We will create our own rhythmic pattern. Okay, this is 8 note and 1 quarter note. That is 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, and then bar line, and another half note and quarter note. So let's count this. This is in compound time signature. Yung sinabi ko kanina po, ito po ay naging double, naging doble, or nabago po yung kanyang bilang. So 6/8 is a compound time signature. Since kanina kapag simple po tayo, ito ay 1 half. So since nagbago tayo ng, dahil nagpalit po tayo ng from simple naging compound, naging compound po yung ating example po dito. Kaya po ito ay magiging 1 count. Ito po ay magiging 2 counts. Ito ay 1 and ito ay 2. So if we're going to add this is 3 and 3, then it's 6. Buta yung 6 po dito. Okay, so sa first measure, there should be, in every measure, sa bawat sukat, dapat po mayroon siyang 6 counts. And ito naman po ay 4 plus 2, and po ay 6. I hope you get this class. Nakuha nyo po itong compound na to, 6/8 time signatures. And here we go. We're going to talk about meter. So meter is the grouping of strong and weak beat, and we have also the simple meter. A simple meter is a particular type of meter, the grouping of strong and weak beats in a musical composition that establishes the basic rhythm of a particular piece or section of a piece of music. So dito sa example ko po kanina, tinalakay natin yung simple meter and compound meter, yung simple time signature and simple and compound time signature po. Under ng simple meter po, it has 3 types. We have the simple duple, we have the simple triple, and simple quadruple. Yun po yung kanyang bakit siya tinawag na simple duple po. Okay, so dito sa example natin sa letter A, tinawag siyang simple duple kasi nga under yung 2/4 po ay simple meter siya, and 3/4, 4/4, they are under the simple meter or simple time signature. Kaya ito ay in every measure ha, this is the first measure, yung bar line na ito, and then this bar line and this bar line, at saka sa bar line na to, there should be 2, dapat may dalawang kumpas. Nakuha nyo po, dapat may dalawang kumpas yan. So this is 2 counts and another 2 counts din dito, and 2 rin po dito. So meaning sa bawat sukat, dahil may 2 counts po siya, this is 2 counts, what do you expect? That is duple. So that is simple duple meter. So dito kasi yung quarter note natin, if we're going to divide that into 2 8 notes, so madi-divide mo siya equally, no, in kasi 1 quarter note is equivalent to 2 8 notes. So ito ay automatic, this is 1, so ito ay 1 and 1 din ito, so that is 2 counts. Kaya na siya ay nasa simple duple. Okay, take note, tandaan nyo po, may dalawa po, there are 2 counts in every measure. That's why we call it simple duple. Ngayon po, tinawag po siyang simple duple po dito kasi pag if you are going to look closer into it, no, yung 2, 4 natin, dapat every measure mayroon po siyang 2 counts at may 2 counts po dito and then may 2 counts po dito. So that is duple. Okay? Then triple, simple triple, tinawag po siyang simple triple kasi nasa simple meter tayo. 3, 4 is simple time signature. Kaya dito ay 1, 1, 1. And that is 3. 3 counts. Okay? That is 3. That's why we call it simple triple. Okay? Triple ba? Tatawag natin yan 3, di ba? This is 1, 1, 1. 2 8 note. 2 8 notes is equivalent to 1 quarter note. 2 8 note is 1 quarter note. This is also 1 quarter note. That's 3. That's why we call it simple triple. Simple triple meter. And this one also is 2 counts. This is 1 count. So if we're going to sum up this, that is 3 counts. And that is simple triple. Okay? When you say quadro or quadruple, it's 4 quad. We have the double, we have the triple, duple, triple, and we have the quad or quarter or quad or 4, quadruple. So there should be 4 counts in every measure. That's why we have here 1 1 1 1, that is 4 counts. And here 1 2 3 4, that is 4 counts. Okay, 4 here, and then whole note is also another 4 counts. Okay, that is 4 counts, and this is 4 4 and 4. That is simple quadruple. Kaya po siya tinawag na simple quadruple. Take note po simple quadruple kasi yung ating gamit ay simple meter or simple time signature. This is simple time signature. That's why simple quadruple. Every measure has 4 counts. Okay, meron siyang 4 na kumpas sa bawat sukat. That's why we call it quadruple. And sa letter B, we have the triple. In every measure, meron po siyang 3 kumpas. So paano mo malaman yung measure? Sabi ko, ito yung bar lines. That is first measure, second measure, and third measure. In every measure, there should be 3 counts. Kaya tinawag siyang triple. Then duple naman po dito. And then, I hope that's clear. Then, we'll proceed sa ating compound meter. Here we go. We have the compound time signature here. 6, 8, 9, 8, and 12, 8. Okay. Tinawag po siyang compound duple. Bakit po? Ang 6, 8 po kasi ay nadi-divide po siya into 3 into 2. At sa bawat group niya ay mayroong 3 nota. So, compound meter tells a musician that the beats will be divided into 3s. Or each beat of the measure divides naturally into 3 equal parts. Which means each beat contains a triple pulse. Okay, so, ayan. Here, we have 6, 8 time signature. Then, if we're going to count the note, may 3 po dito. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay? May 3 po dito. So this is 3. And then 1, 2, 3. This is 3. If we're going to add this, that is 6. And, excuse me. This is 6 counts. 6. Now, take note. Sa 6, 8 po ay nahati po siya ng dalawang group into 2 groups. That is, this is group A and this is group B. In each group, mayroon 3 pulse. May 3 kumpas po. May 3 beat. So, this is group A and this one is group B. Sa unang group po natin, sa group A po natin, ilang notes po ba mayroon? Ilang 8 note po? 3. So this is 1, 1, 1. So ibig sabihin po dito kasi, yung 6, 8 po natin, yung 8 counts, yung 8 note will receive 1 count. And in every measure dapat mayroong 6. There should be 6 bit in every measure. So this is one measure po ito. Kaya meron po siyang 6 counts. 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 note will receive 1 bit. Kasi compound na po siya. We are in compound meter. Kaya po dito ay 1 count na po ito. Tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina sa unang discussion. So this is 3. There are 3. Yung sasabi kanya into 3s, divided into 3s. So it divides naturally into 3 equal parts. So meron 3 nota and sa bawat group. So there are 2. Yan yung 6, 8 natin. Nadi-divide po siya sa dalawa, sa 3 into 2 groups. Okay? So that is compound tuple. That's why we call it duple. Okay, this is 1, 2. Okay, I will erase this again. Okay, okay, so here this is 1. I'm going to write here 1, 1, 2. So this is first, this is second. That's why we call it double. Okay? Na-divide po siya sa dalawa. So that is 1. Ito na-divide siya into 3s. Kaya 1, 2. That is double. While in 9, 8 naman, this is 1, 2, and 3. So 3, 6, 9. This is 9. May 9 or there are 9, 8 notes in a measure. Okay, there are 9, 8 notes in a measure dito. Okay, if we are going to count this, is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we call it 9, 8. And compound triple po siya kasi may 3 grupo. This is first group, second group, third group. There are 3 groups. That's why we call it compound triple. Okay, so this is first, second, and third. And then in 12/8, compound quadruple, because we have here the first, second, third group, and fourth. But still, if we're going to count these notes, that is 12. That is 12, 8 notes. Okay, 12, 8 notes. Okay, that is for the compound quadruple. And then dahil nasabi po doon yung the grouping of strong and weak bit, so dito po sa compound time signature po natin, ang strong bit po natin ay naka-indicate po dito sa ating may line po na ito. So lagi nasa simula po yan. Like for example dito, if we're going to count here, parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nandun yung diin o yung strong, tapos strong bit, tapos ito naman yung weak bit, yung dalawang natira. Like for example, this is 1, 2, 3. So pag clean up mo siya is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so parang 1, 2, 3. So laging malakas po. Strong bit here and here is the weak. Then 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That this is the strong bit and this is the weak. This one is the weak bit. This is the weak. Here is the strong bit. Okay, yun po yung the groupings and the grouping of strong and weak bit. So same here with 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the strong and weak bit. Okay, and for the activity 1, so wala tayong tanong po dito. For the activity 1, complete the measures with only 1 note or rest. Yan, complete the measures. So what do you think is the answer in activity 1 in this example, letter A? Okay, so remember, this is simple meter or simple time signature. Okay, that very good. That is quarter note. Okay, what about this one? This is, there should be 2 counts or 2 beats in every measure. Another here. Take note for this, complete the measures with only one note. Only one note. Ayun po. Ganon din po sa activity ninyo sa inyong module. And so here, we have 8 note and 8 rest. So 1/2 plus 1/2, that is 1. So we need one more. So we can put here quarter note. Or we can add quarter rest. So this is, we can add here quarter rest. If your answer is quarter rest, then that's okay. And if your answer here is quarter rest also, that's okay. Okay, then for the activity 2, complete the measures with only one note or rest. And that is 1/4 rest. And then here, this is 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to draw here 8 note. And here is the answer is quarter note. So 1, 2, 3 bar line, 1, 2, and this is 3. That is bar line. This is 2. This is 1. This is 3 again. That's why we have here 3, 4 time signature. And then so for 4 time signature natin, ano sagot po natin dito? Here we can write here rest, quarter rest, or quarter note. And also the answer here is half note, and this is whole note. It's 4. It's 4. It's 4. That's why 4/4 time signature po siya. And that is simple time signature. Now create your own rhythmic pattern under 2/4 time signature and 3/4 time signature.